Are you planning to drive a U-Haul or another rental moving truck across state lines? You might be wondering whether you need to stop at way stations along the way. The short answer is not always. There is no single nationwide rule requiring every personal use rental moving truck to stop at every way station. Whether you need to stop depends on the state you're driving through, the type and weight of your truck, how you're using it, and the instructions posted at the way station. If you're moving your own household belongings, you're usually treated differently from a commercial moving carrier. Some states require certain trucks to stop based on their weight or vehicle classification. California is an important example. Rental moving trucks such as U-Haul, Budget, Ryder, and Enterprise moving trucks are required to stop at way stations when applicable. Another important factor is your truck's weight. Know the GVWR, which is the maximum loaded weight specified by the manufacturer, and the GAWR, which is the maximum allowable weight for each axle. And remember, just because everything fits inside the truck doesn't mean you're within its safe weight capacity. Before your trip, check the way station requirements for every state on your route. Confirm your truck's GVWR and payload capacity, and consider weighing the loaded truck if you're concerned about its weight. Most importantly, watch the signs when approaching a way station. If the posted instructions apply to your truck, stop. If you're driving a U-Haul and aren't sure whether you need to enter, U-Haul advises stopping when in doubt. The key takeaway is simple. Check the rules, know your truck's weight limits, and always follow posted way station instructions. Want more expert moving tips and free moving quotes? Visit MoversCom and contact us to plan a smarter, easier, and more affordable move. Like, share, and subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss our moving guides and relocation tips.